Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Nazib and you're watching Calligraphy. Recently, I posted this photo on my Facebook and Instagram page, which is basically a calligraphy based on tea. So I had to make a cup of fake tea to click this photo. Some of my friends and followers asked me how I made this tea with bubbles and textures, which was looking real, they said. So I decided to make a video on it, that how to make fake tea to click photos or to do photographies, and I will also show that how to use that to make old style papers. So let's get started the video. Oh wait, please subscribe and click the bell button to see my next video. To make this, we need some colors like watercolors and poster colors, a cup of clean water and a brush. Wet the brush and take some colors. I am taking yellow ochre first. Now start mixing it. Now I will mix the other colors until it gets the actual color of tea. Please notice this, I am mixing a little amount of black watercolor here, and it helps a lot to get the actual shade of tea. Trust me. Mix brown color as well. Don't forget to mix coffee color. As you can see, it started to get its actual colors. See the bubbles here and the textures. Keep blending and blending, and with this our fake tea is ready. Now let's start to make old paper. Look at this, I have one already. It's an Arabic calligraphy, I made it few days ago. The texture and the shades and the edges. So let's make it. A piece of art paper of any size. Put it down and start painting it with the fake tea. Now let's delay. Paint both sides properly. Now put it down and let it dry. Before it becomes fully dry, just crush it like this. It will bring the old paper's texture on it. Continue this as same as I am doing. Take a matchbox or a lighter and burn the edges and corners so carefully. With this, the old paper is also ready. So as you can see, my fake tea and and old style paper is ready. I will do a calligraphy on it. If you want to see this calligraphy, then please follow my Instagram and Facebook page. I gave the link on description. No, it's not ready to print. Let me make the real one and see you in next video. Till then, tada.